Take a look at this custom printed wrap inspired by Star Wars and the whole saga to create a one-of-a-kind, custom printed, rust-inspired, Star Wars-inspired Cybertruck wrap. I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and this is something new that we are offering here at T-Sportline, custom wraps. Your vision, our graphic design team will make it a reality. And this is a perfect example of that. Something that's never been done before. This is specifically the vision of our customer, who's a huge Star Wars fan and many movies in that genre and during that era. And this was his vision, and T-Sportline and our graphic design team, as you can see, made it a reality. Take a look at the detail of this rust-inspired wrap. It is a vinyl wrap, but it is very durable, and you can even apply PPF to it if you wanted to. Take a look at the rears. I'm slowly making my way over here. Check out this really cool detail with, actually it looks like kills or explosions or bombs that have been X'd out over here. And then, as you all know, this is a Cyber Beast, right? And it has tri-motors, 3 jets. This was the customer's vision, super cool. And look at this little detail. 3 Wookiees, Wookiee power, tri-motor, custom wrapped Cybertruck, unlike one you've ever seen before. Wow, wow, wow. That's really all I could say. When we started this project, everybody on our team was super excited. And now that I see it all done, it's absolutely incredible. It doesn't have to be a Star Wars inspired wrap. It could be something patriotic. It could be your favorite sports team, your company logo. If you have the files, that makes it easier for us. If you don't, we have a design team ready to go help and make your vision a reality for your Cybertruck. And before we close out this video, you know the wheels needed to be changed. It's kind of like the big trend around the country right now. Tesla original 20-inch Cybertruck wheels, plastic aero covers, whatever we're not getting is out. This is the most affordable way to go ahead and change the look on your Cybertruck with our 20-inch TCT wheels that come with removable aero covers. Now the aero covers are on right now because that's a perfect look for this inspired Cybertruck, but if you take them off, it's a spoke design wheel behind, super cool, very sporty. Thank you so much for watching. What do you guys think about this wrap? How would you wrap your Cybertruck now that you know T-Sportline does custom wraps?